Hello, I'm Dr. Hima Bindu, tele-intensivist at the Command Center Apollo Hospitals, Hyderabad. Apollo Hospitals, an IHF member, is proud to nominate our innovation. I'm delighted to introduce our innovation, Always On Care, a model of enhanced connected care that transforms how hospital services and critical care are delivered to patients in wards. Our innovation addresses a critical challenge. Patients in wards are monitored only every 4 to 6 hours. With a low nurse to patient ratio, critical events go unnoticed until they lead into devastating events like a code blue. Always On Care brings ICU-like continuous monitoring to patients in wards, ensuring timely detection and intervention as and when required. Always On Care leverages the power of advanced monitoring systems, integrated digital platforms to provide 24/7 seamless support for the patients. Through wearable devices, bedside connectivity, real-time dashboards at our command center, we ensure continuous monitoring and proactive interventions. This approach not only enhances the patient safety, but also empowers the bedside team through remote guidance, rapid decision and rapid escalation when needed, bringing ICU-like patient safety into ward care. Our model has already reduced the number of code blues, prevented complications in the wards, improving the clinical outcomes while reducing the ICU transfers. With this system in place, we are networking over 2,000 beds, monitoring 1,000 patients every single day, and managed up to 190,000 patients till date. It creates a safety net for all hospital patients across Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, expanding access to proactive interventions and expert care beyond traditional boundaries. At Apollo Hospitals, Always On Care is not just a technology. It's our commitment to reimagining healthcare with compassion, connection, and innovation. I invite you to connect to me over the Congress app and meet me at the I2I Innovation Launch to learn more about our project. We look forward to collaborate with the global partners at IHF World Congress Geneva. Thank you.